You? What'd I say?
Yes.
No, you.
Listen.
Back off, crazy people.
I checked it.
Okay. Really? Really?
Hi.
My eye! My eye!
You want to play?
Yeah!
I can play. You better stop! Stop! Give it! Now! Now! You want to play? You want to play? I don't care if I sleep in a wet bed. Now! You gonna get the hell out my bed. Yeah! You too! Get off my blanket! Yeah! You choking? You choking?
You sure?
You choking?
My eye, Oh, something always wrong with them when they getting it. That's my property!
Be careful.
Really? Really?
Derek, hold it tight.
And this is what you call a steal.
211. I need air. I need air.
I'll save you.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I got refund! Why'd you give it to her? Yeah! Why'd you give it to her?
Stupid choice.
Did you already have your bed for the day?
No.
Neither one of you, huh? Becky, get your little funky asses up out my room! Get out! Get my pillows. You wanna get out?
No.
Really?
Yes.
Get out.
That actually feels good.
It's cold.
It actually feels good.
Get out! One out. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! It's the wrong damn door! Get out! Please watch my Xbox. I may cry. What the hell?
I'll wear a bullet's jacket if I have to.
Darian? Darian?
Choice.
Yes.
Darian, take the cover off.
No, don't do it.
And look at your mother for
Don't do
testimony.
it.
Oh.
I'm giving you to the count of 5 to get out my room.
Leave my brother alone.
1,
Derek, get in the closet.
2. Very good. That's 1.
I'm gonna kill you.
You're next.
Bye, come on.
You have until the count of 5.
Run.
1,
Come on.
2, 3. Okay. Yes, my room is a mess.